Telegram, how to add someone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add someone on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to be able to add someone on Telegram, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Telegram application here. Now from here onwards, what you have to do is you can simply actually search for that person, because if they are in your contact list, because let's just say you have added them inside a contact list, you can simply add them if you have the phone number. Even if you don't have the phone number, if you actually have their username, right? So if you just have the username, it will actually show up their profile over here. So you want to make sure anyhow that you have either the username, and you will be able to search for them, and you don't necessarily need to add them because you can just DM them directly. And this way you should be able to add someone on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.